Machine translation is getting pretty good, at least between some language pairs and where you have enough training data. But it still makes mistakes, like humans make mistakes. If there's a lot of value in the translation, you need to rely on this, then you need a professional human in the loop, because the mistakes that the machine translation makes are getting more and more subtle, and they're harder to detect. In the old days, there was lots of agreement errors or some reordering or something like this. But sometimes with neural machine translation, it looks perfect, but it isn't. And that's one aspect. We need post-editing, and we need to support that in such a way that it's geared towards the human in the loop. As humans, if we communicate with each other, we don't always use keyboards and mouse. We speak, we gesture, we do lots of things. We use vision, eye contact, and part of the project was how can we best support all these multimodal ways of interacting with humans, or with a human and a machine, or human and content. How can we make that available? There was research in the past, and really good eye tracking research and other research on using pens, for example, electronic pens to post-edit, etc. It wasn't really all brought together in one place. Often we use different modalities at the same time. We speak, we use gaze, we might point at something, we might touch at something. And part of the project was to look at the individual interaction modalities, and that's why it's called MMPE, multimodal post-editing. In addition, and on top of the mouse and the keyboard,